Hello friends, today we are going to learn chapter 14 Light, Shadow and Reflection. Luminous objects. Objects which emit their own light are called luminous objects. Example, sun, star. Non-luminous objects. Objects which do not emit their own light are called non-luminous objects. Example, table chair. Light always travels in a straight line. This property of light is called rectilinear propagation. When we consider a single and very narrow path of light, it is usually called light ray. When we consider a broad path of light, it is usually called light beam. Transparent materials. Materials which allow light to pass through them completely are called transparent materials. We can see through them clearly. Example, clear glass and clear water. Translucent materials. Materials which allow light to pass through them partially are called translucent materials. Example, oiled paper, ice tracing paper, butter paper. Opaque materials. Materials which do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque materials. Example, wood, cardboard, metal sheet. Shadow. Shadow is formed when an opaque object blocks the path of light. Reflection. When light falls on an mirror, it is bounced back. Bouncing back of light is called reflection. When you look into a plane mirror, you see your image in the mirror. An image is formed when light rays from an object are reflected off a surface, for example, a plane mirror. Shadow. A shadow is usually very dark. A shadow does not give details of an object. A shadow is formed by blocking of light by an object. Images. An image has the same color as that of the object. An image gives the details of the object. An image is formed by reflection of light from the object. Pinhole camera. Pinhole camera is a toy device to study that light travels in straight line. The image in the pinhole camera is created on the basis of principle of rectilinear propagation of light. Each point on the surface of an illuminated object reflects light rays in all directions. This is known as scattering of light. A common use of the pinhole camera is to capture the movement of the sun over a long period of time. This type of photography is called solargraphy.